In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and rearrange PDF pages with Small PDF. If you've ever combined multiple scanned documents into one PDF and noticed pages out of order or extra pages that don't belong, this quick workflow will help you clean it up without any complicated software. Start by opening your web browser and heading to smallpdf.com. On the homepage, you'll see a range of tools designed to simplify PDF tasks. Look for and select the Delete Pages option. This is the tool we'll use to remove unwanted pages and adjust the order of the ones you want to keep. The best part is that everything runs in your browser, so there's nothing to install and it works on most modern systems. Next, take your PDF file and drag and drop it into the tool. As soon as it uploads, Small PDF will generate a visual preview of your document, showing all the pages in sequence as thumbnails. Depending on the size of your file and your internet connection, this might take a moment, but it's usually quite fast. To delete a page, move your cursor over the page thumbnail you no longer need. A small trash bin icon will appear. Click that icon to remove the page. You can repeat this for any additional pages you want to eliminate. Take your time here and double-check the content of each page before removing it, especially when your PDF includes different scans or sections. To rearrange pages, click and hold on a page thumbnail, then drag it to the new position in the sequence. Release your mouse when the page is exactly where you want it. Continue dragging pages until everything is in the correct order. A helpful tip is to compare the original page numbers or any visible headings as you go, so your final document flows logically from start to finish. When you're satisfied with the edits, click Finish. Small PDF will process your changes and prepare the updated file. Then download your new PDF and save it to a familiar folder on your computer. It's a good idea to open the downloaded file right away and skim through it to confirm the pages are arranged correctly and that nothing important was removed. Normally, tidying up a PDF like this might require advanced PDF software or a full subscription to a complex editor. With Small PDF, the process is straightforward, fast, and accessible from any browser. Visit smallpdf.com to use the Delete PDF Pages tool and explore many other features that make working with PDFs easy.